Hello, my name is Vlad. These are my brothers. Bien?
Hi.
Go on. Oink, oink, oink. Yeah, that's kangaroo.
Yeah, that's the baby kangaroo. And kangaroos don't say oink oink.
They say oink, oink. Frog. Let's get.
No.
Let's get.
Whoa, wait.
Okay.
Before we start,
Okay.
we should play a game.
Ooh.
This game is, we're gonna say some words that start with the letter N, and you guys need to guess how many words we said. And we're gonna do that for 1 whole minute. And we're gonna say the total number of yeah. And we're gonna say not yet. And we're gonna say the total number, what it actually is, at the end of the video. Let's get ready. 3, 2, 1. Nitrogen. Nuclear.
Nose.
New Delhi, Niagara Falls. Yeah.
New York.
Number. Number. Keep going. Just keep saying.
No.
Noise. New. Never. Keep going. Just keep saying. Nuclear. Keep saying. Go. Good. Next.
900.
And that's time. Yes! Yeah, we did it. We did it. So does anyone know why we did a game with the letter N?
I know.
Why?
Because we're gonna make an N.
Yeah, today we're gonna make the letter N.
Yeah.
And all you need is some painter's tape, paintbrushes,
Scissors. Paint.
and
a paint.
Yeah, white piece of paper.
Let's get started!
Now get your painter's tape and cut 2 equal pieces and stick them onto your paper, and I'm going to show you how.
That's it.
Okay. I'm going to cut it with some scissors. Scissors. I need these ones.
Oh my goodness. least it's loading. Yeah. This.
Alright. So now get your painter's tape and stick it diagonally like that is better.
It's not. I have to make it a little bit bigger.
So let's cut another one out and see if that's not enough.
Oh my god, this.
My turn.
Okay, now it looks like it has got in the water. And
We
so
have
that's
water
why, so that's why it got light green. Is this a shadow? I don't know. I can see you. What is going?
Press it.
Are you?
So now get some paint and do very less water when you're washing your paintbrushes and do it and paint it all over the painter's tape.
Oh my god.
Beep, beep, beep. Okay. Brothers, let's wash our brushes.
Just a little.
Yeah. Washing our brushes.
Just a little. You need less water, so much paint. So over the end. Yeah.
Hey, does anyone know the fastest? No, not the fastest. The closest star to the Earth.
I know.
Does anyone know? Does anyone know? Hello, hello. Does anyone know?
I know.
Okay, you know?
Yeah.
Okay.
Not
Not yet. Okay, now say.
Is it the sun?
Yeah, you did it. It's the sun.
Sun.
And now we peel off the tape. And we're done. The answer for how many words we said that starts with the letter N is 18.